Kajingjak klub jong Khaw Haduh1 Lak paket Haduh1 Lak Byrni. Ubadi ukhaw bani manpoy sa Kiba Duk leng baku khaw rasyan. Kelawan rak sibun kijing keli bat kapan lengok sibun yang kipat bak jong kejela. Namat kat kum gajnya tu jeng kinangiram jeng KSU. Kiba lik punya kendu yau general manager jong ke FCI badi pek ikatan stay lamingi. Uni manager kat kum gajeng ong KSU. Udah tu bayu ukhaw lapan poy sa kisokar jela.
Jika seng dak jeng skopia hadian bagalai katuk ni kubur ba kadan kajing penonton bakala yo khaw bodi ban poi sagi brio Kiba Duk hangni aku jela jongi ta kadi khaw bana lamang terpang dengan sarkar India leng ba Food Corporation of India sapo sarkar jela leng ba kanika NFSE Act 2013 akajingi i kajungi hagi kubur hadian ni lab ba nakaliang ni di bor kulit jongka sarkar Assam ilayo ban kem ketunun imut di brio leng ba kajing ui kajungi kajing ya jeng katlai klik drop ibayat aku rekam gaba melak ban sungtu i long suspicious yon dak ilakem di kulit jong Assam dilalap ba Haduh1 Lak paket khaw bodi ban mang sekibri beduk ni aku jela lapoi biang penban sa Assam hakaba kaladen kajing ya khaitu abakila penrung kala haka paket jong ni ka Sunrise Company East Sunrise Company
kat bah kajing khobor kan ikesni kepada dapat lapan pau bawat nakaliang jong umtirang ba sembut ubak pertuan tensong markum juru ubak kerman cela ubadi minister jangka social welfare kila kentai bakim dan jingtip ke hello ke jingjak jon ukhaw
hadian mengalai usui kan statement jung deputy CM nakaliang aseng ngilawan marmar ni apa office banyak kendu markmat hibat general manager PN Singh body pack yang ni ka directory jangan di FCI hangni pokatan stay lamingi andre hadian kajing yakan kajung upan mau ulapan phai kala uang ba nakaliang ke FCI kamdan jingtip iruem ya kan ni kajing bam sap ya kan ni kajing bam tu yu khaw hakaba uang ba nakaliang ke office kajung u leng ba release officer yang ni khaw kala ada mang siapa ka kala ada pha siapa ka directorate of social welfare bat kasong itu khaw hakaba ide bat kini ke kendrum kendram kasong bat yang sarkar jela kata kamu ketenat social welfare ni iru ha ki statement kat kubur ba Social Welfare Minister belah kena kelai suppliers. Deputy CM ukuran dekumai Social Welfare Minister ukuran dekumai kini kepeti ba kadang ka jingnya piar akor komai statement apa dengan Deputy CM Social Welfare Minister. Ba kalau ke konflik statement sebangila apa nang tin pareng akaba wei ukuran dekumai. Kaba uni hang ni pada uang baik bak FCI kamdan bentai isu buat kata ka jingja ke kendrum-kendram akaba ide begini di silak paket ukhaw hendrai kadai baik apa sarkar jela namar ban nakaliang IRU jong ni ke office ladap IT siapa ka Department of Social Welfare
kejengkeli bamta kami kelong Mano badan keti haka baditu yan ukhaw ubadi ban poy sa Kiba Duk Haduh1 Lak paket Haduh1 Lak Byrni yan ukhaw haditu lalap di kiplit jong ka Assam na kajenglap di kitrok kiblaya sa kati kathan ba yung ukhaw ru latap akipat ki paket lengba jong ka Sunrise Company.
Unbelievable that after a raid somewhere in Assam, it was found that the rice that was supposed to come to the people of the state of Meghalaya during such a period of crisis was actually being swapped and was actually being repackaged as one of the branded rice to be sold in the open market. Unbelievable, unacceptable. In fact, state government has to immediately constitute a high-level inquiry committee. You cannot say that this is FCI and that you have nothing to do with it. Because lifting of rice and making it available for the people of the state is the bounded responsibility of the state government. I cannot imagine that even here we see ambiguity. We question the manner in which the handling of this essential food supply that was meant to reach the poorest of the poor. We will await for a proper report to be submitted to us by a high-level scrutiny inquiry committee to be set up by this government, because this is a huge violation of the rights of the people of the state of Meghalaya.